The Earth is our home. Little do we know how we came to this world and what happens after death. We human beings share this home with so many other living beings. That includes bugs and insects too. All of the living beings have a purpose to serve in this world. Some bugs and insects can kill us no matter how small they are. Let's learn about some of the most dangerous insects. Giant Japanese hornet is the largest species of hornet in the world. They grow up to a size of 2 inches. Every year, up to 40 deaths is recorded by the sting of Japanese hornet. The venom of Japanese hornet would cause an allergic reaction and dissolve tissues in a short time. The repeated stinging from the group of hornets could also result in death. Japanese hornets are very aggressive and fearless in nature. Each colony of Japanese hornet contains up to 700 members. They feed on honeybee larvae in large amount. They have the power to finish up to 40 honeybees in a minute. Another carrier of the deadly sleeping sickness, the tsetse fly, feeds on the blood of vertebrates. They spread the disease trypanosomiasis in humans by biting their victims and passing it through their mouth parts. Living in Africa, the death toll is that much more immense, killing 250 to 300,000 victims per year. Typically nesting in sand or soil, fire ants build rather large mounds and tend to feed on plant life and occasionally crickets and smaller insects. When bothered, however, the fire ant's sting is a venomous prick that feels like it's burning with fire, hence the name, and swells up into a painful pustule. A few small stings can be quickly treated and cured, but when the ants swarm, that's when the trouble starts. 150 deaths per day as well as millions of dollars in crop damage yearly make these ants fearsome indeed. Africanized honeybees are more commonly called killer bees because of their capacity to kill humans when they are attacked. This type of bee is known for being the most defensive of all. Their swarms take over European honeybee hives by invading them and setting up their new queen. After killing the European queen, they deploy in greater numbers for defense and are seemingly ready to kill whoever attacks their hives. Mosquitoes are a terrible irritant, and because they feed on blood, can drive a person mad just by being outside in the right conditions. Eggs get laid and grow in stagnant areas of water, and millions can hatch from one spot. But the worst aspect of the mosquito is that it's a carrier of blood-borne diseases, specifically malaria. Still numbering in the hundreds of million cases per year, malaria is responsible for more deaths than every other insect combined. Thanks for watching. This is your host, Tracy Gomez. Please subscribe. See you in my next video.